So here we are at Camp Shenandoah at the BB range. Grandpa is between AJ and Jackson. And they learn how to cock the gun, get it ready to go, and then they fire at these targets over here. They are doing a fantastic job. These are not toys from Target, these are real BB guns. Grandpa's using his Eagle Scout skills to show them how to do it. Look at that. Look at those boys go. They're good at this. Got their safety goggles on. They know if they take the safety goggles off, they are ejected from the firing range immediately. No second chances. Very strict rules here. Look at that. Jackson's aiming. He's doing a good job. He's hitting targets like crazy. So is an AJ. He's cocking his gun now, getting ready to do some more firing. Here he goes. There you go. Expert in instructions. There you go. Grandpa's telling everything he knows. Okay. Here goes AJ. Jackson's cocking the gun, getting it ready for another shot. Wow, these kids are good. They're good. Good job. Wow, look at that. Very careful aim. Excellent.